Myself, Kavya. My topic is about edge computing. Introduction. Edge computing is distributed computing framework which brings enterprise application closer to data such as IoT device and local edge services. With approximate to data and the source can deliver strong business benefits, including faster insights, improved response time, and better bandwidth availability. Data stream acceleration, including real-time data processing without deadline, smart application and device response to data immediately with no lag. Processing of data, a large amount of data near to the source, reduce internet bandwidth, usage limiting cost. This is a diagram of edge computing where the applications are stored in the cloud. The important applications are stored in the edge computing. The real-time data process such as real-time data process are stored in the edge computing and the data caching buffering of optimizations are stored in the edge computing data center. And the machine-to-machine language are stored in the edge computing. History of edge computing. The origin of edge computing can be tracked back to the 1990s when Akamai launched its content delivery network. The idea back then was to introduce nodes at locations geographically closer to end user for a delivery of cache content such as images and videos. In 1997, computer scientist Brand Nobel demonstrated how mobile technology could use edge computing for speech recognition. These are the applications used in the edge computing: automatism, vehicles, remote monitoring of assets in the oil and gas industries, smart grid, predictive maintenance, and hospital patient monitoring, visualization, radio network, and 5G, cloud gaming, and content delivery. Advantages: enhanced speed. From the performance standpoint, edge computing is able to deliver much faster response time, bandwidth relief, improved data management, better security, improved reliability. These are the advantages used in the edge computing. Disadvantages: cost and storage. Even though cloud storage expense were lower, there an additional cost on the local end. Lost data. The advantage of edge computing carries with this risk. Social processes. An environmental factor like road traffic density, air equality, weather, school holidays, and social open and other open data set were given better result by the processing of data with the help of edge computing and machine learning. Computing power will apply these factors to this data collection from healthcare at the point of administration where data be set whether the patient expect to the discharge. The social processes are used in the edge computing, for example, schools and hospitals and road traffics and etc. These are the applications used in the edge computing. Features direction of computing for the internet and things like IoT. Edge to cloud data exchange application capabilities. Common on edge data exchange capabilities, streaming data analytics and band framework and APIs. Control rolling and visioning upgrades of applications. Status of application monitoring from ad and cloud dashboard. Cloud-based development of edge computing applications. Internet of Things IoT and edge computing in IoTs. With the help of edge computing, intelligence moves to the edge. There are various scenarios where high-speed data are the main components for management, power issues, analytics, and real-time need, etc. Helps to process data with the edge computing in IoT. This is the diagram of the edge computing, the Internet of Things, edge computing, and the cloud. The edge computing is about the real-time processing. Edge computing is the local source of processes and storage of data computing need of IoT device, which includes a link of communication between IoT device and the central IT network. Those devices are connected to edge computing. The aim of edge computing to be pushed up communication to the edge of the network, always from other data center, exporting the capabilities of smart objects, mobile phones, and internet gateway to provide a service and processing on behalf of the cloud. Edge computing is nothing but the where the applications are stored in the cloud. The important applications are stored in the edge computing, like face regarding and the location. There, the high bandwidth, the where the cloud can take more speed and more time. The edge computing can be stored in this application. So these are the applications we are using in the day-to-day life. We can reuse the application by by taking by taking the high speed of the application. Conclusion: with the edge computing, things have become even more efficient. As the result, the equality of business operation has become higher. Edge computing is the visible solution of data-driven operation that required highlighting fast results and high-level flexibility depending on the current stage of things. Thank you.